Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I feel like I just woed. In today's video I am going to be doing a teacher workout routine. So what I am doing to try and stay healthy during quarantine, I have lost around 16 pounds in the last 2 to 3 months, and so I want to share a workout that I have been doing with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So let's get right on into the video. Oh, by the way, I'm Kayla and I'm a 4th grade teacher in Indiana. So nice to meet you if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. But let's get to working out. One last thing, sorry for the birds chirping, and two, wanted to mention that I am in no way, shape, or form know what I'm doing. I just get my workouts from Pinterest or Instagram or something like that. So let's get into the workout now.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So worn out already, and we're only halfway there. By the way, I wanted to mention during my push-ups, I try to do some guy push-ups, but I'm not very good at them, so I normally will bump down and do some girl push-ups. So sorry.
We haven't played, no, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands.
Oh, I can't move my legs. My face is super red too. But I finished the workout. As you could tell, I kind of towards the end, I don't know, didn't do the workout the proper way, I guess. I was dead. When I was doing the run for 1 minute, oh my goodness, completely dead. I'm going to have the workout in the video, so I will tell you exactly what I did. And then I will also have the workout below if you want to join me in it. But I'm gonna try and do this 3 times a week, and hopefully it works out. But when I got on Pinterest, it did say that you burn 1,000 calories doing this workout. How true that is, I don't know, because everybody's body's different and you know how that goes. But it was a good workout, and probably one of the hardest ones I've done in a while, honestly. I am completely sweating. I can't wait to go shower. My face is red. My neighbors were staring at me, but it's all good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far, comment below what your favorite children's book is. Let's see who actually made it this far. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.